Okay, so basically a bird flew into the bedroom. Ethan was able to capture it. Now we're gonna let it go right now.
Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, he's probably hanging on the inside, actually.
Okay, nice and easy.
Oh.
There he is. Oh, hello. Hello. You're outside now. Aw. Hello, baby. You're so cute. I hope you're not hurt. You don't think so, right?
No.
Nah. Hi. He's like, what's going on? He's just hanging out. Alright, I'm gonna see if he will, fly away
He'll
or...
probably fly away on his own time.
Right. It's probably scary because I'm like right directly over him and he's like, she's blocking my sun. Oh, yeah, he wants out. All right, here we go.